Hello, this is Catherine from Hrlashes. Hrlashes is a famous lashes vendors and lashes factory. You can see this is our temporary storage room for lashes. Each of white rectangle paper box, we put different kinds of lashes styles. You can pick high quality lashes from us. I think our high quality lashes will support your lashes business. You can see this is 20mm mink lashes, and this is cute, short, beautiful lashes. This is 3D fox mink lashes. At present, only our company made it. This style is our wholesale lashes. We sell very well. You can see luxury style. This is our lashes catalog. You can order lashes catalog from us also. So many. This is non-luxury lashes. So many beautiful lashes. Contact me, get more information.